Hello friends, today we are going to see MySQL, EquiJoin and Natural Join. These joins are used to join two tables. MySQL joins are used with select statement. It is used to retrieve data from multiple tables. It is performed wherever you need to fetch records from two or more tables. For example, in the sample database, we have the orders and order detail tables that are linked using the order number column. So one column is in common in both the tables, that is order number. So with the help of common column, we can create a join between two or more tables. So there are two types of joins we are going to see today. Is equijoin. Equijoin is the join in which columns are compared for equality, is called as equijoin. So wherever the columns are having identical values, that only matching columns values will be shown. And other one is a natural join, the join in which only one of the identical columns coming from joint tables exist, is called natural join. Now here see the simple query: select star from table 1, natural join is a keyword, table 2. Now in this join we can join two tables with the identical columns. The equijoin and natural join are equivalent except that duplicate columns are eliminated in the natural join that would otherwise appear in the equijoin. Now we'll see one example. We are having two tables. One is garment and other one is a table fabric. Now you can see here in the both the column there is one column common, and that column is F code, that is for fabric code. So whatever the garments are available, what type of fabric used for that uh, particular garment is shown in the second table, that is table fabric. Now here is a question that write a join query to display description, price and fabric type of garment whose price is more than or equal to 1250. Now here we have to fetch the values of description, garment description, price and fabric type from the other table, that is the second table. Means we have to use two tables, and in that also we have to see the price is more than 1250. So we'll write a query for that. So the query will be select as asked in the question description, comma price, comma type from. Now we usually write a single table name. Now it's a join query. So we'll write down, we have to fetch the data from two different tables. So we'll write down here garment, comma fabric, where now this clause is very important to create a equijoin. So here we have to fetch the values from both the tables wherever the F code will match. So we'll write down here garment dot F code equal to fabric dot F code. Now another condition is here as price should be greater than 1250. So we'll write down with the AND logical operator, and price is greater than or equal to 1250. So we'll get output like this. So we'll get a 4 rows selected, in which we will get a description and price from garment table, and we will get a fabric type from fabric table. So this is the output we got from two different tables after joining using equijoin. So we can see here formal shirt having price 1250 and In front of that, if you see in the master table, F code is written F01, and if you match this in the fabric table, F01 is a Terraline. So you will get a type as Terraline in front of formal shirt. In the second row, if you see informal shirt, which is costing 1550, having the F code as F02, and if you relate this in the fabric table, you will get F02 is a cotton. So like this, you will get the information from two different tables by using this equi-join. Now the same query we can use with the help of table alias name. Okay, so what we are going to write the same query, select description comma price comma type from garment, and we will write down alias name. For garment, suppose we write G, and for fabric we will write down suppose F. Now where in this we don't need to write the entire table name again, because we have created a alias name here. So we can write down G dot F code equal to F dot F code, and the price is as well as same, like greater than or equal to 1250. So here once in the from clause we have written the alias name, wherever we have to write down the table name, we can write down the alias name as well. So this way you can write down we'll get the same output which we got in the previous query. This way you can create equi-join. So hope you understood this joins. Thank you.